Hey YouTube, and welcome to another video of the VW. Today we are working on my E36. So what we are doing is replacing this. So if you see, this antenna is broken, and actually the inside's broken too. So we're replacing the whole system. So let's get right to it. All our tools that we need are right here. You're gonna want a little socket set. I use a 1/4 inch. You've got my antenna here and OEM parts. I just picked these up today, and I use a screwdriver. So first steps first, you take this carpet off. I already broke this clip when I looked at it the first time, but this just pulls out. You actually pop this down and then just let her out. A little bit of effort, but nothing too crazy. As you see, comes down relatively simply. This is the part we're going to be exchanging. This is like the antenna base. I don't know too much about it. I know it's ridiculous that it's a two-piece part, two-piece system. But first thing I'll do is yank this out if I can, without breaking it, that is. There we go. And then unscrew this. So let me do that off camera. We'll get right back to it. I decided it's going to be easier if we just take this off. So this, I believe, is a 8. Let's test. Sure enough, it's not. Let's try a 7. I think it was one of them weird sizes. Let's try one more time. Let's get in there. Yep, sure enough, it's a 7. So let me ratchet that off and I'll get right back to you. Alright, so it was a 7mm. So now all we got to do is come right in here, take that off, take it off of this spade, pop that somewhere safe, and this should relatively just, yep, there we go. So I'm going to try to get this off. I believe this twists off. I'm going to do that off camera to make sure nothing gets damaged, and I'll get back to you again. Well, I'm having some trouble getting this off. I also unconnected the little bracket part there. It's a 10mm, and I don't want to damage this, but you know what we'll do is we'll pop the grommet in for now until I think of something. So let me grab this and we'll get to it. This was 12 bucks from BMW. This was $2.05. There we go. So this just pops in. I put it this way because this is taller, this is shorter, so this way. And then from the bottom here, I just kind of yanked on it until it went flush. Our antenna, I'm not going to put it in now, I'll go up through there and it will be sealed, so I will no longer have to worry about water getting in here, because I know it has been. So never thought about it until recently. So I'm gonna search up how to take this off without destroying it, because I'd rather not. So let's see what I can do about this. Okay, well, after doing it, I finally got it out. I used some vice grips and just pulled on it gently, and this is the old part. It kind of split in half. But as you see, this was damaged, and this is permanent damage. There's cut wires. I don't think you can put an antenna back on, because when you look at the parts side by side, you can see the difference here. So I don't know if I'll take this cap off. Probably will. But yeah, I mean, brand new part, so I'm excited. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna plug these in, pop it in there, and then I'll show you the rest of the way. So get back to it. Alright, so we got that back on. This screwed right in and just went right in. This plugs right in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this antenna, I'm going to feed it through. So you'll be able to feel the hole. It's there. Check that out. It is. Oh, it went right back inside. Back to its home. Let me grab this. Look at that. That is beautiful. I finally have an antenna on this car. I haven't had it since I bought it. The radio still doesn't work. I should be replacing the amp on Friday. So I'm gonna put that back in there, connect that there, and I'll kind of show you after I've done it. It's kind of tight in here. Hey, mid-video here, I actually want to show you the part numbers. So let me switch the camera and show you. So this is your first part number, and this is, there's the second one. Okay. And then I believe this is the other one. This is their full number. Let me see if I see something else. Well, After some weird angles, I got it in. I tightened the 10 mil and the 7 mil up, and there we go. That's the antenna at its full length. And yeah, now what happens is we do this. Actually, by the way, I took the cap off. Well, I'm gonna keep it just in case, but this is on, that's on, that's on, this is on. Nothing more to it. And yeah, you just start pushing back. And ta-da! And then this on. Let's see, I'm gonna get this one. Now, pop this in. Although this is broken, so there's not much to it anymore. It just kind of hangs down, I guess, because I broke that clip trying to take it off. So, oh well. It's broken on this side too. It kind of sucks. I'll fix that later. But yeah, that is all. Have a good day. Once again, thank you for watching the VW.